We analyzed thousands of debates and papers to answer one simple question. Which job is safe? Everyone is panicked, hiding from the algorithm. But our research reveals a terrifying paradox. The safety you want is an illusion. You think intelligence saves you? The data says otherwise. The data is clear. White-collar pros, lawyers, coders, analysts are in the highest danger zone. Why? They deal in patterns. And AI is the greatest pattern recognition engine in history. If your job has a manual, it's gone. You aren't working. You're teaching your replacement. Here is the irony. While intellectuals in high towers panic about their future, a different group is perfectly calm. We call this phenomenon the IQ trap. Society said, work with your head, not hands. That might be the century's biggest mistake. Consider Moravec's Paradox. It states, high-level reasoning is cheap, but physical movement is expensive. Think about it. A computer can easily beat a chess grandmaster. That is just math. But a robot cannot clean a messy hotel room. Reality is simply too complex for them. So, who wins in this new world? Not Silicon Valley. Maybe it is your neighborhood. The plumber, the electrician, the carpenter. They are no longer laborers. They are the elites the algorithm cannot touch. Because no two broken pipes are the same. Behind every wall is a different chaos. Robots hate chaos. AI lives in the cloud, not in the mud. The physical world is digital intelligence's kryptonite. We looked down on blue collar for years. Now that collar might be the only safe harbor left. Human touch is the new luxury. Flawless code is cheap, but a handmade table is priceless. A coder competes with millions of free bots right now. But a master artisan, he competes with no one, because his skill cannot be copy-pasted. The equation of the future is simple. The value of everything digital will approach zero, while the value of everything physical will go to infinity. Scarcity creates value. Don't just learn to think, learn to touch the world. The real revolution is not on screens, it is in your hands. I am Eray. This is Erayism. Exit the simulation and build reality.